ஹாய் ஹலோ வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு ட்ராவலர்ஸ் கிச்சன். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டிஷ் சைனீஸ் எக் ஃப்ரைட் ரைஸ். Here I took basmati rice. Basmati rice, what you do always, just boil the water first, okay, with little bit of oil, little bit of salt. So soak this raw rice 5 minutes, basmati rice. Then once boiling water, okay, with oil and salt, when it's ready, just add. Just check always. It has to be like has to be separated, okay. If it stick, it's not going to be fried rice, it's going to be something else, okay. So this has to be, you have to be very careful when you're making it. All the vegetables, just make it into thin juliennes, okay, like stripes, thin ones, okay. And these are the main things you have to consider when you're making the fried rice, okay. So let's start cooking now. When the pan is hot, add little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 eggs. Just add it. Just mix it. Make it like a scrambled eggs. Not too fried. Has to be soft. Don't make it very fried, okay. See, this eggs are ready now. So now we'll turn off. In the same pan, I added little bit of oil. 2 grams of ginger, 3 garlic cloves, add 2 onions, don't make it brown, has to be little bit sweat, okay. Onion is already getting sweat, okay. Don't make it brown, has to be sweat. Now we add 50 gram of cabbage, 50 gram cabbage, 30 grams of carrot. I cut, see this one, I cut it into juliennes, okay. Make it like a julienne, it has to be like this, okay. Then I added beans, 30 grams. Cook for a while. Let the carrot and cabbage and beans has to cook. You can see it's already cooked. Don't burn it, okay. Has to be little bit crunchy, not more than 4 minutes, okay. Has to be crunchy. Now what we are going to do, we're going to add some spring onions. Now we are going to add 200 grams of cooked rice. Now gently we'll mix, okay. Very easy unmele. So you can try at home. See this one, very colorful, okay. Next we add salt. It's up to you how much you want, but don't make more salt, okay. Next we add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. Add little bit of pepper. Don't add too much pepper, little bit, pinch of pepper. Now we are going to add the scrambled eggs what I made, okay. So here is very simple, what we at home, what we have it at home. So that's it. This is called our fried rice is ready now. Now check the taste. If you need more anything, you can add, okay. Just turn off now. Now I'm going to transfer. I'm going to put it in the bowl, okay. Next you can add some spring onions. That's it. So இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுடைய Chinese egg fried rice ready ஆயாச்சு. Before I wind up, I want to give you more tips. So as I said, boiling water. When the water is boiling, add little bit of oil and little bit of salt. Then before that, you soak this rice for at least 10 minutes, not more than that, okay. Just soak, straight away add into the boiling water, then remove, okay, strain and just spread it in the plate and with little bit of oil, so it won't get stick, okay va. So adu vandu oru onnukulla ottikiradhu. So that's the main thing, we have to be very careful. As I said, eggs, normally what they do is whenever they make the fried rice, they put the eggs first, mix, then vegetables. No, don't do that. So the eggs will get hard at the end of the product fried rice comes out. So make the soft scrambled eggs, keep it on the side, then you go for the procedure what I told you, then at the last you add the eggs. So it gives a nice soft and fried rice you will get it. The different easy recipe stuff I'm going to tell you. Okay, please share and subscribe my videos, okay, and give me your feedbacks and everything. I'll see you in next video. Okay, take that, bye bye.